probably 130 right by now. He's still in and out of traffic. Yeah, he's about to cause an accident. Maybe 1037. Just took the 73. I believe I'll be 1037.
Yeah, we're all units 1063 at Elm.
Okay, he's getting back on the interstate. He's getting back on the interstate, southbound.
Yeah.
He's stopping here just south of the interstate. Be a Razorback tag. Boy, Robert, Tom, King, Tom.
No.
Driver, stick your hands out the window. Stick your hands out the window. Open the door. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out of the car. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. You know what you did?
I just got on the highway.
You're driving crazy 110 miles an hour down the interstate.
I just got on the highway.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm on the ground. What are you?
Put your hands behind your back. Yeah, if you blew through the light up there, put on your phone. Go ahead and stand up.
Can you help me though?
Yeah, roll up.
Can you help me? Never.
Get up.
Yeah, I didn't blow through any light.
Man, you went past wagon wheel at 110, in and out of traffic, driving crazy.
I don't know where
Take the exit.
I just got on the highway.
Yeah, when you blew through the damn intersection up there.
I'm telling you, I just got on the highway. Just pull me over. Just pull me over. Is that what you're looking for?
Looking for your driver's
It's right there. If you gotta slide it sideways.
Oh. I'm 1015.
Yeah, that's why I pulled over. I saw you behind me, so I pulled over.
Yeah, after you went past wagon wheel, you were in and out of traffic. You must have saw me coming, hit the ramp, in and out of traffic, went over the intersection. Well, come on back here. You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest?
Yes.
For what?
Dude, I ain't gonna play dumb.
I'm asking you, like, so you saw me do what? I'm trying to understand what you're saying here.
Back here. Have a seat.
Am I get too
No. a little bit of bud in the car over on the driver's side.
He had music up.
Oh yeah, he was rolling, dude.
You got the little radar in there. You got 1011 started?
No, not yet. Go ahead and send me a 1011. Okay. All right. Oh, I can do it. Stuff. He ain't. I mean, all I'm gonna do is take him. I got to take him to Benton County. That's where it started and stuff. So. All righty. I'll get that toe flip done. I'll leave it with you.
That I was going how fast?
110.
Okay.
When you went past the ramp.
So my car can't even go that fast.
Yes, it can.
On it.
It can go that fast. I promise you they can.
Elm Springs Road, this is 1019, ETA 20 to 25.
On the vehicle.
Well, sir, you know what you did. You know what? How old are you? How old are you?
I just turned 20. I'm 20.
You're 20.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's what
I'm 36 years older than you. I'm old enough to be your grandpa, so you can't lie to me about what you did. What you did. I'm not even. I've been in law enforcement longer than you've been alive. I've been in law enforcement 33 years, so you can't pull no crap on me.
I was just asking.
I'm just telling you what you did, and you know what you did. So you got a felony on you.
Felony?
Yes, felony fleeing.
Fleeing?
Yes.
Okay, so I guess I'll just have to go to court.
Yes.
I'm not gonna say anything.
You have the right to remain silent.
You didn't read my Miranda rights to me.
I just said you have the right to remain silent. I didn't ask you any questions. You better know the law.
So what are you gonna try and charge me with?
Speeding, reckless driving, felony fleeing.
And out of Springdale?
Nope, out of Benton County.
Okay.
That's where I clocked you at.
Right.
And I'm being nice. I'm not going to charge you with the bud you got, the roaches you got in there, in the lid. And you just got stopped here, what? For speeding? Randall Swab?
Randall Swab?
Yep. He just got you on the 11th for speeding.
Yeah, I was, I told him that my, it was like a nighttime. I was cruising. It was cruise control. Yep. I was just cruising, coming from P-Ridge.
You was at 94 then. Right there at the same area where I got you.
I don't know. Am I able to take this off? This head, my hat?
Yeah. You can take it off.
Just 'cause I'm not.
2612F25.
And then, do you have all my belongings? Like,
He put your billfold and all your phones and stuff up here. The rest of the stuff I'm gonna
what's the rest of the stuff?
in your car. I'm gonna do a storage on it.
And what is that?
Everything that's in your car I have to put on here.
And is it gonna stay in my vehicle? Or
Yes, it'll stay in your vehicle.